Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video easy and fast method to type first, second, third, fourth, fifth in MS Word. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. For that, first of all, open your MS Word. I will show you on screen keyboard how to type first, second, third, fourth and type here 1 ST and press space, click space. For second, type 2 ND space. For third, 3 RD space. For fourth, 4 TH space. If you want 11th, space. If you want 100, that's it guys. So in this show you easy and fast method to type first, second, third, fourth, fifth till 100. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.